Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the XNOR gate, also called the exclusive NOR gate. आज के इस वीडियो में XNOR gate के जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है वो डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर आप इस चैनल में न्यू है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, फटाफट से लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। So let's get started. An XNOR gate is a combination of an XOR gate and NOT gate. An XOR gate is two input, one output logic circuit. The output is logic 1 only when both inputs are logic 0 or when both input is 1. The output is logic 0 when one of its input logic is 0 and other is 1. It means we simply called the XNOR gate is basically the opposite of XOR gate. Remember, we learn in XOR gate that the output is high when inputs are different and the output is low, that means 0, when both input are same. But in XNOR gate, it's totally opposite of XOR gate. The output is high when both input are same. The output is high when both input are same. And the output is low when both input are different. This is exactly opposite of XOR gate. In the first point, we said XNOR gate is a combination of an XOR gate and a NOR gate. That means we use an XOR gate and a NOR gate to get the XNOR gate. Simply, it is the opposite of XOR gate. Let's see the truth table. What we learn that when both input are same, the output is 1. A is 1, B is 1. The output of XNOR gate is 1. A is 0, B is 1. The output is 0 because the inputs are different. A is 1, B is 0. The output is 0. A is 1, B is 1. The output is 1. The symbol of XNOR looks like the XOR gate but with a small extra circle at the output. It means XNOR gate की जो symbol है वो बिल्कुल same है XOR की. हम देखे थे XOR क्या था? OR gate with an extra curved line. This is the symbol of XOR gate. But in XNOR gate, small changes is there. What? And small circle in the front of the OR gate. This circle shows the NOT operation. This is the symbol of XNOR gate. Let's see. OR gate, one extra curve. This is what? XOR gate. And an extra circle. This is the XNOR gate. The expression of XNOR gate is A dot circle B. हम XOR gate में क्या पढ़े थे कि इसका एक्सप्रेशन होता है A प्लस सर्किल B. तो XNOR का क्या हो गया? डॉट सर्किल B. हमने क्या पढ़ा कि XNOR गेट XOR का ऑपोजिट होता है. XOR क्या था? प्लस. तो प्लस का ऑपोजिट साइन क्या होता है? प्लस का ऑपोजिट साइन क्या होता है? डॉट. प्लस यानी और की ऑपोजिट साइन ही होता है डॉट यानी कि एंड. नाउ लेट्स सी. नाउ अब हम ट्रूथ टेबल को ड्रॉ करते हैं. लेट्स टेक टू वेरिएबल A and B. We see that the symbol of XNOR gate is dot and circle 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. तो हमने क्या पढ़ा XNOR गेट में जब दोनों इनपुट सेम होता है तभी आउटपुट में 1 होता है. जब दोनों इनपुट डिफरेंट होता है तो आउटपुट 0 होता है. फॉर दिस केस A0 B0 द आउटपुट ऑफ XNOR गेट इज 1. A0 B1 the inputs are different so output is 0. A1 B0 again the inputs are different so output is 0. A1 B1 the inputs are same so the output is 1. This is the NOR gate. Now we write the expression from this truth table. We write two expression, basic and compound. From basic we see that in the output column 2 1 is here. So for this one we take these two variable A and B. A B. For 0 A is complement, 0 B is complement. Plus for this one we take these two A and B. A and B. Here both are 1 1 so both input are in its normal form. We can write this A X NOR B. So we know that the symbol of XNOR is A dot circle B. This is basic and from this basic we get this. Now we draw the circuit from Now we draw the circuit using basic gate and then we will draw using compound gate. So for this, we see that there is two variable A, B. From A, B. Now what we see, A is its complement form. We know that when a variable is in complement form, we use the NOT gate. So A, NOT gate, it is a complement. B is complement. So again use a NOT gate, B complement. Now for to these two variables are joined using dot, means AND gate. So we draw AND gate. What we get? A complement dot B complement. Now for this, A is its normal form. So we draw a word from this, that is A. B is normal form. So here B. Again between these two variables we use AND gate. So the output is A dot B. This term and this term joined using OR gate. So we draw in this two term between OR gate. Now the output, what will be the output? The output is A complement B complement plus A B. This is the gate using basic gates. Now we draw the circuit using compound gate. For compound gate, the expression we write like this. If we break this expression, so what we will get? A XOR B and their complement. हमने पढ़ा था कि एक्स नॉर गेट क्या होता है, एक्स और गेट की कंप्लीमेंट. तो हम इसको कुछ इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं कि एक्स और गेट उसकी कंप्लीमेंट यानी कि दिस. सो हम ड्रॉ करते हैं ए बी, ए से एक वैल्यू लिया, बी से एक वैल्यू लिया. तो हमने क्या देखा, एक्स और गेट. सो पहले हम इन दोनों के ऊपर एक्स और गेट लगाएंगे और वन एक्स्ट्रा टॉप लाइन. फॉर दिस कंप्लीमेंट वी ड्रॉ बबल इन दिस फ्रंट. सो व्हाट वी विल गेट? वी गेट ए dot circle B. So the simple rule for X NOR gate is the output is high when both inputs are same and the output is low when both inputs are different. आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.